Hi Eric, here's a little trick. I'll show you exactly what we're doing here. Because this is a parallax image, if you put your cursor in here like where the meet the team is, and then down here in the quick tag selector bar, right where it says MM editable, the first div tag to the right of that, if you hover over it, it'll tell you what the section class is. So we have section 1. You see how it goes div class equals section 1, parallax 1. Well, what you can do from that point on with that information is go to the site styles and themes, sorry. And here we actually have the different section backgrounds. If you scroll down, starting here, we have sections. So there's the section 1, and this is the background image that it's loading in right there. It's loading in an image from the themed images backgrounds folder. So if we go to the site, themed images, and the backgrounds folder, there it is right there, section 1. So that is the image that's being loaded in right there. So you can either put your own image in and just replace the name right here, or you can just create a new image, call it section 1 JPEG, and drop it in here. Now the thing I'm doing a video for is because what you can also do is you can sort of select this tag right here. And you can do a quick tag editor, right? And you see where it says section 1 here. So if we did section 1A, for example, we're changing the class from section 1 to section 1A. You can go to your theme.css, you can copy section 1, the whole class, paste it down below, rename it to section 1A for about, right, or section 1 about, like that. Whatever you do. I mean, you can name classes however you like. All right, so I'll change it to about so it makes more sense. So section 1 about, make sure you keep a space between the the parallax 1 and the section 1 about, right, and then just about like this. And then you can put in whatever image you want. Right now, image size, the bigger the better. 2000 by about 600 would be good. So that way you're covering every monitor size you possibly can. So the wider the image, the better. I think the default image here is, I think that's 2000 by 6 or 698. I lied. Sorry, this one here is actually 2000 by 1500. But because it's taking up just such a small section, it could be much, like what I do here is always double the height. So this here is about 200 pixels tall, so you double the height. So make sure your replacement image is at least 400 pixels tall, and the wider the better. Like I said, 2000 is a good one to go. So that way you cover the 1080p resolutions as well as everything below it.